three stocks to hold during recession, and in my opinion, these three stocks are in a discount. And I don't want to make this video too pushy or like me recommending you to go run buy the stock. No, this is for people who maybe have financial advisor, right? You have a plan, you act according to plan, you know when to buy, what to buy with your advisor, right? You don't just go run and make emotional decisions. No, but this is something that I want to bring up. Maybe you can just go talk to the advisor, say, hey, there are these three names. What do you think about them? Should we consider, or what do you think? What's looking like with those names? What's going on with those names in the market right now? In these conditions, do we need to own them? Can we hold these for a couple years? So something like that, basically. Okay, it's not like a clickbait or anything like that. I'm just a stock trader. I'm maybe much younger than many of you are. I'm only 35, but I have been trader for 7-8 years, and I have seen many stock charts, and also I haven't seen a actual recession like many of you have maybe seen already in your lifetime, and you want to generate some cash dividends. So let's straight get into these three charts. It's going to be very quick. So first one, you already maybe saw this one. Tyson Foods, TSN ticker symbol. So stock year to date is not doing well as other names, other peers that have maybe doing better than Tyson Foods. But I think whatever is happening with the company, I think it's just a short term. But the good thing is that you don't care about the short term performance of the stock, right? The goal is to generate every quarter dividends. So stock is trading at $61, and market capitalization of TSN, I believe, somewhere around 22 billion, and watching somewhere around at 56. For me, again, this is, yeah, I shouldn't tell about what I'm gonna do, but basically, if I trade out, I would, if I wanted to add into a portfolio, I would look into support areas, multi-year support areas, and you can see this $56 level would be level that was tested from 2015. So, and the last time it was here, 2020. And again, it's not super high growth name. So this is number one. You can go take a look at their assets and liabilities. There's this website, really cool one, which is called macrotrends.net. That's where I look at many in-depth technicals of the fundamentals of the name. But if you have an advisor, you might have your own way. Also, Thinkorswim, you can just go into the Analyze tab and take a look at the performance, cash in hand, all the good stuff. And also, second one, Verizon, right? Verizon, you can see, they have big liabilities, but they have big assets as well. Again, this stock is pretty beaten down compared to many other names. You can see if I just go back maybe, let's go back 20 years. So this $37 level is basically from 2011, okay, 2011, 2012. So if this stock somewhere here at $30 or maybe even 26, 27, and with the dividend yield of 7%, and forgot about dividend yield for Tyson. I think they yield about 4%. PE very low. Price to earnings for Verizon is 8. And also, if you can get somewhere around here, if you do the shopping at the levels of a 2010, 2009, and maybe even 2002, I think it's a really good deal. But again, this is pretty bigger company out there. 155 billion. And as a cell phone user, I mean, I have used all pretty much carriers, but Verizon is one of the best. And I'm not sure about like their infrastructure, how better it is, but the service much better than anything I have used. So the third one is, I'm pretty surprised that it's not doing as well as its peers again. It's Walgreens. Okay, Walgreens, you can see at the moment, year to date, of course, it's down. This is a monthly chart I'm looking. Yeah, let's just switch to yearly chart maybe just to show you what it has been doing. You can see, yeah, it's not looking really good right here because it's been declining since 2016. And it's trading almost at a levels. This year it was trading from 2012, 13, 11, 2008. So basically 10, 12 years ago, it was trading at that price, and this stock yields somewhere around 6%. Let's take a look at the exact percentage. Okay, 4.9%, but still PE 7.9. And if you go take a look at their liabilities, long-term debt, cash on in hand, and you can see in the past 2-3 years they have been improving actually in terms of growth. And again, these companies are not super high growth, but these are the stocks I would basically recommend to consider to hold during this turbulent times, because I don't think that market is near its bottom. And I do think that we can see something like 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, something like that. And to generate some cash, I think these stocks are really good stocks. Of course, there are many other big, good yielding stocks, but in my opinion, these are at the moment discounted names to maybe consider to bring up with your advisor and go through and see maybe you like these names sometime in the future in your shopping cart. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.